You have too many interests. You want to code and write. You want to do marketing and design. You want to understand finance and create art. Traditional careers force you to pick one thing, specialize, stay in your lane, but that makes you miserable because you are not wired for one thing. You are wired for everything. And crypto might be the only career path on Earth where having too many interests is not a weakness, it is a superpower. Let me show you why crypto is the perfect career strategy for multi-passionate people, because what looks like chaos in traditional careers becomes clarity in Web3. And by the end of this video, you will understand exactly how to turn your scattered interests into a six-figure crypto career. First, let me explain what makes crypto different from every other industry. In traditional careers, there are walls. Marketing people do not code. Developers do not write content. Designers do not understand finance. Everyone stays in their box. And if you try to cross those walls, you get told you are unfocused, not serious, a generalist in a world that values specialists. But crypto requires you to cross those walls because crypto itself crosses every discipline. It is technology, it is finance, it is design, it is economics, it is law, it is marketing, it is community building, all of it at the same time. And the people who thrive in crypto are the ones who can navigate multiple domains, not just one. Let me give you examples of actual crypto jobs that prove this. Blockchain consultant. Your job is to understand technology and business strategy. You need to explain complex technical systems to non-technical people. That requires coding knowledge plus communication skills plus business understanding. 3 skill sets, 1 role. Crypto community manager. You need to understand the technology well enough to answer technical questions. You need marketing skills to grow the community. You need psychology to manage conflict and build culture. You need content creation skills to produce engaging updates. 4 different disciplines, 1 job. DeFi analyst. You analyze decentralized finance protocols. That requires understanding smart contracts, understanding traditional finance, understanding economics, understanding risk, understanding UI/UX because user experience impacts adoption. 5 skill sets, 1 career. NFT project manager. You need to understand blockchain technology, understand digital art and creative direction, understand community building and marketing, understand legal issues around intellectual property, understand tokenomics and economics. 5 completely different fields, all essential for 1 role. This is why crypto is perfect for multi-passionate people. The industry expects you to know multiple things. It is not a bug, it is a feature. And the more diverse your skill set, the more valuable you become. Because crypto moves fast. Projects need people who can wear multiple hats, who can switch between technical discussions and marketing strategy, who can code in the morning and write documentation in the afternoon. Now, let me show you the actual data on crypto jobs. There are currently over 15,000 blockchain and crypto jobs posted across major job boards. And here's the key. These are not just developer roles. Yes, there are blockchain engineers and smart contract developers, but there are also crypto journalists, crypto compliance officers, blockchain consultants, marketing managers, community managers, product managers, UX designers, legal experts, economists, analysts, educators, content creators. The list is endless. And the compensation? Higher than most traditional occupations. A blockchain consultant is one of the highest paid jobs in the space because they combine technical knowledge with business strategy. A blockchain developer with 3 years experience can command 6 figures easily. A crypto marketing manager with proven community growth? Same range. The industry pays premium for people who bring multiple skills. But here's the most exciting part. You do not need a computer science degree to break into crypto. You do not need a finance background. You do not need formal training. What you need is curiosity, the ability to learn, and the willingness to combine different knowledge domains in unique ways. Let me tell you about the crypto journalist path. You love writing. You are curious about technology. You want to understand finance. Crypto journalism lets you do all three. You research blockchain projects, you interview founders, you explain complex technical concepts to general audiences, you analyze market trends, you create content that educates and informs. That's writing plus technology plus finance plus communication. Perfect for multi-passionate people. Or the blockchain project manager path. You like organizing. You enjoy learning new technologies. You want to work with creative teams. Project management in crypto means coordinating developers, designers, marketers, and community managers. You need to understand what each team does. You need to speak their language. You need to bridge gaps. That requires technical understanding, plus people skills, plus organizational ability, plus strategic thinking. Here's another one, crypto educator or course creator. You love teaching. You are fascinated by blockchain. You want creative freedom. You can create educational content about crypto, courses, tutorials, YouTube videos, newsletters. That combines technical knowledge plus teaching ability plus content creation plus marketing. 4 interests, 1 career. And the flexibility is insane. Most crypto jobs are remote. You work from anywhere. You set your own hours. You choose projects that align with your interests. If you want to work on DeFi 1 month and NFTs the next, you can. If you want to split time between development and content creation, nobody stops you. The industry rewards output, not hours in an office. Now, let me address the elephant in the room. But I don't know how to code. You do not need to code for most crypto careers. Yes, blockchain developers need coding skills, but community managers don't. Marketing managers don't. Analysts don't. Consultants need to understand code, not write it. You need to know enough to ask smart questions, to understand what's possible, to communicate with developers, but you're not writing smart contracts. Here's how you actually break into crypto careers. Step 1. Learn the fundamentals. Understand what blockchain is, how Bitcoin works, what smart contracts do, what DeFi means, what NFTs are. You do not need deep technical knowledge. You need conceptual understanding. There are free resources everywhere. YouTube, online courses, articles. Start there. Step 2. Pick one area that combines your interests. Love writing and finance? Crypto journalism. Love organizing and technology? Project management. Love psychology and marketing? Community management. Find the intersection where your unique mix of skills matters. Step 3. Start creating value before you have a job. Write articles about crypto topics. Join Discord communities and help answer questions. Create educational content. Contribute to open source projects. Build a portfolio that shows your knowledge, not just claims it. In crypto, proof of work matters more than resumes. Step 4. Network. Attend crypto meetups, join online communities, follow crypto Twitter, engage with projects you find interesting. The crypto industry hires through connections. Someone sees your content, they reach out. You get opportunities, but you have to put yourself out there. Step 5. Apply strategically. Don't just send generic resumes. Research the projects. Understand what they're building. Tailor your application to show how your unique combination of skills solves their specific problems. Show you understand their project. Show you can add value. That gets you interviews. Now, let me give you the reality check. Crypto careers are not easy. The industry moves fast. You need to constantly learn. New protocols launch weekly. Regulations change. Markets crash and recover. You need to adapt quickly. If you want stability and predictability, crypto is not for you. But if you thrive on change, if you get bored easily, if you love learning new things constantly, crypto is perfect. And here's the secret advantage multi-passionate people have. You're already used to juggling multiple interests. You're already adaptable. You're already comfortable learning new things constantly. Those traits that made you feel unfocused in traditional careers, in crypto, they make you unstoppable because the industry needs people who can connect dots across disciplines. Think about it. A blockchain project needs someone who understands technology enough to evaluate protocols, understands marketing enough to position the product, understands community enough to engage users, and understands tokenomics enough to design incentives. That's not 4 different people. That's one multi-passionate person who brings all those skills together. The crypto industry is less than 15 years old. It's still being built. The rules are not set. The career paths are not defined. That creates opportunity. In traditional industries, career ladders are rigid. You start at junior, you climb to senior, you follow the path. In crypto, there is no path. You create the path. And multi-passionate people are great at creating paths that don't exist yet. So here's my challenge to you. If you've been jumping between interests your whole life, if you've been told you need to focus, if you feel like you don't fit in traditional careers, stop trying to fit. Start exploring crypto, because this industry was built by multi-passionate people for multi-passionate people, and the opportunities are massive if you are willing to learn and contribute. If this opened your eyes to crypto as a career path for people with diverse interests, smash that like button. This is career advice that actually acknowledges how multi-passionate people are wired. Subscribe for more content about building unconventional careers in emerging industries. Drop a comment and tell me what combination of skills you have. Are you a designer who loves economics? A writer who understands code? A marketer who is fascinated by cryptography? I want to know what unique skill mix you bring, because I guarantee there is a crypto career that needs exactly that combination. And share this with someone who has been told they have too many interests, someone who feels scattered in traditional careers, because crypto might be the answer they have been looking for. I will see you in the next one. Stay multi-passionate out there.